Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to your main navigation. Let's go. So you'll see here, I'm on my demo website. The first thing I'm going to do is you could be on any page of your website. As long as you're logged in, just click the edit button. And once you do that, you'll hover over your page and you'll see all these boxes showing up. If you see all these blue boxes showing up, you're in the right space. Next, you're going to want to hover over the navigation, and where it says edit site header, click on that. Beautiful. We are one step away. Now, this global section, there's a lot happening in here, but what you want to focus on is elements. And once you click on elements, here are the options. So if you run e-commerce, you're going to want to turn on the cart. If you want your social links, you could do that as well. But here is the button. So let me turn these off just for a second so we could focus on the button. I'm going to click that on, and just like that, you can see it's added a button. It already has some information here. This is actually the button I had up here before, and so it saves it if you ever take it off. But here, you could just adjust the text and say, book a call. And then here, you could add a link to any part of your website. So if you don't know this already with Squarespace, if you're linking inside your site, all you have to use is the /. So if you type in /, it'll give you all of these cool options. These are all pages on your site, things like that. Also, if you click the gear wheel, there's a lot of magic in there. You can add an email address with a bunch of other stuff, whatever you like to do, a web address if it's a separate website, and then a file and a page. So this is a page on your site, same thing we were just doing a moment ago, and then a phone number as well. So our button says book a phone call, so let's set that up. There is our phone number. We could click save, and you'll see here it is now linked to book a call. Actually, to make a call. Anyway, but there you can see how to set up a link. So let me just go back to contact. I am going to do contact us. I don't have a contact us page, but I'll just do that for now. And then contact us. Beautiful. Done. Saved. Good to go. Hit save up here, and we're done. Now, one thing you might be considering right now is, how do I change the look and the feel and all of that of the button? Well, there's a few things you got to consider here, but let's go back in to the editor, go to edit site header. Here, this is really going to depend on your styles. So if you have dynamic set up, or if you have theme or gradient or solid, whatever you choose here will affect the button color, the button look. From there, you'll see dynamic. I'm on dynamic. So the page style for the first section here is actually affecting the navigation. What does that mean? That means this style here for this first section, which I am using, if I go to colors, light one, sorry. That's the one I'm using here with the gray background. You can see if I click here, it changes. Do you see how it changed the navigation as well? So you're going to want to then adjust the settings in here. So you see this little pencil, click on that, and then you can get into the magic of changing that. So you'll see the button background blue and text is clear. If you go back and then you go back again, you go to buttons, you could change the actual style. So here I have the style as outline. You could change it to solid, just like that. And then you could change the shape, whatever you like. Oh, cool. They've added new ones. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, pedal. Nice. These built-in buttons. I never saw this before. So we're seeing this together. Okay, cool. Rounded. I am just going to do square. Cool. I'll keep it at that. And there you go. You just added a button to your navigation. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. So hit the like button. Next, if you're looking to beef up or boost or 10x your Squarespace website, check out the links below. We have a ton of resources for you. Plugins, downloadables, ebooks, blog posts, a ton of things for you. Finally, if you got value from today's video and you're looking for more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. I can't believe we're publishing 3 videos a week right now. It's a lot of content, but we are. We're publishing 3, maybe even 4 videos a week right now. So if you want more content like this, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.